masyado nakapag-live. Alam nyo kasi ng 24th dito, like natulog lang ako nun. Dapat magla-live ako nun, pero talagang tinamad akong tulog na lang. Super boring. Hey! Happy New Year! Wala, ang ganda naman ng gift na yun, parang pang 10,000. Kuya Green! Ubus na nga dino ko sa Pinas eh. Hello! Oh my God! Hello, ang ganda! Thank you, boss! Ang ganda nun! Alam siya! Ate Emmy, ano po yung tawag sa pagsaksak sa iPhone? Yung V8 po, yung maliit na cable. Ayun, Belkin. I'm in Thailand now. Ay! Diyan ka ba nag-spend ng Christmas, boss? Walang rebate. I'm in Thailand now. Di ka ba nag-spend ng Christmas? Ang saya. For sure, kasama mo yung family mo. Oh. So, kamusta naman ang Christmas dyan, boss? Kasi dito talagang, I mean, ang 24th, yung Noche Buena, like, wala talagang gana. Hanggang New Year, ang saya. Ngayon din, first time ko ma-experience yung New Year dito. Sana sulit talaga. Belkin. B-E-L-K-I-N. Alam, saya, boss. Kailan kayo uuwi, boss? Like, mga, January. Ay, dyan na din kayo mag-celebrate kasi birthday ng mama mo, diba? Same birthday kami. Si Jero. Siguro. Belkin, yes. Alam po, salamat po sa, sa Christmas gift and New Year's gift. Walang rebate lumabas. Ay, New York City! Sing na ba tayo ulit, guys? Nag-warm up lang tayo, guys, ha? Kasi wala na boses, guys. Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. Wait lang, hanap tayong song. Thank you, Donald! Bas Ninong! Merry Christmas, Ninong! And Happy New Year in advance. Advance happy birthday, idol. Kaya nga, next week na ata yun. Para kayo ko nalang mag-celebrate ng birthday kasi parang natatakot na ako umidad. How is you po? I'm good, boss Ninong. Kamusta ka? Panahon mo to, Ninong, kasi Ninong ka. Ikaw ang Ninong ng lahat. Boss Ninong. Namamas ko po, boss Ninong. Thank you, Donald. Last Christmas din, boss. I mean, masaya naman yung Christmas ng 25th. Oo. Kasi nakabanding ko yung mga naging friends ko dito sa Hawaii. Hi, Jade. I'm healing. Let's sing Birds of a Feather. Warm up tayo ulit, guys, ha? Parang di ka naman tumatanda, ate, kahit madagdagan age mo. Tatakot nga ako eh. I mean, siguro natatakot ako kasi syempre, like, as a late bloomer person, gusto ko ma-experience yung mga dapat kong ma-experience sa 20s. Diba? Dapat kasi pag 20s ka, dun mo ma-enjoy yung life ko. Pero na-enjoy ko yung life ko nung 27 na ako. Medyo late na. I mean, yeah. Alright, let's sing this one. I want you to stay till I'm the grave nature, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going to. Cause it was always you. They found a new. Please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that it dies. You to see, oh my gosh, boy, ay, saya. Thank you, boss. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit. No, say it, don't say it. Basta parang 13K pa din dito. Wanna quit, don't be stupid. As I done what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye till the day that I die, till the light leaves my eyes, till the day that I die. What? 13K pa lang dito. Ayun o, di ba 30 pa lang? Scam ka, Bigo, scam ka. Tangi pong piso. Just ko po. Diba? Scammer si Bigo, guys, oh. 13K pa din dito, guys. Yung 22.